Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sikha Garg. So today we'll discuss about heart attack in young adults. So everybody has always listened to lot many information regarding risk factors which can lead to heart disease like diabetes, like hypertension or a family history. But these days, younger adults in the age of 30 to 40 years are getting heart attacks and in fact untimely sudden deaths also, and the reason is not always the risk factors. So why is it happening? If you do not have any risk factors related to diabetes, hypertension or genetic thing, what other risk factors can count which can actually cause it? There are a lot many people who suddenly died while working out in the gyms. Why is that happening? So there are a lot many studies which are happening to study why is this, what is the causative factor, underground reasons for it. There are certain studies which say substance abuse, smoking and alcohol, smoking specifically, because it constricts your blood vessels. So there is a formation of plaques in the blood vessels. इट्स लाइक आपकी जो ब्लड वेसल है उसका जो एरिया है जहां से ब्लड फ्लो कर रहा है दैट विल रिड्यूस, वो कंस्ट्रिक्ट हो गई, उसमें अंदर प्लाक जम गए. टेक इट एज अ पाइप जिसके अंदर कुछ कुछ जम गया विच इज कोलेस्ट्रॉल. और इन केसेस ऑफ हाई लिपिडीमिया, पीपल ईटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ नॉन वेजिटेरियन तला हुआ खाना, और पीपल हु आर स्मोकिंग, उनमें भी ब्लड वेसल्स में प्लाक जम जाते हैं बिकॉज निकोटिन acts in a way chemically change करके there is a constriction of the blood vessels. One thing was that, another was inflammation because of the food, because of the sleep habits, because of our dietary things and lifestyle. When there is a lot of inflammation, the hormones secreted for combating the inflammation and stress, these all will lead to constriction of blood vessels. So what happens specifically when you're working out or in winters, constriction already है, winters है, season से constriction है, that can lead to heart, blood flow to heart is reduced and leading to death of the heart muscle, which causes heart attack. In people who are actually doing high intensity workouts, young people who are virtually very fit, what happens is because of these things, when you actually work out intensely, the blood vessels are not able to give you that much of blood. So because of the constricted thing or plaque thing, so what happens is suddenly that blood vessel or plaque will dislocate. ठीक है, तो टेक इट एज अ पाइप कि उसके बीच में कुछ जमा हुआ है, व्हेन देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर तो वो डिसलोकेट हो गया, वो ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट कर गया, तो देयर, उस एरिया को ब्लड जब नहीं मिला हार्ट के, तो दैट एरिया इज डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ ब्लड, deprived of oxygen, that heart muscles dies leading to heart attack. So what we can do to prevent is not only a virtually looking thing is good, please do get tested for your lipids and other basic preventive things before you start working out, specifically aggressively.